All right, welcome to homework 1.5. Today we revisited the words that we learned yesterday. And so the first 3 questions are asking you to use the word in your answer, okay? And so it says, why is it important to conduct a poll before claiming you know how a group of people feel about a topic? So our word is conduct. And so let's go ahead and answer that. And I'm going to give you a sentence starter here. It is important to conduct a poll before claiming you know how a group of people feel because, and then you're going to fill out the rest of this. So I'm expecting you tell me why. Why would we want to have a poll and have that data before we say that people feel a certain way? All right, number 2. Why wouldn't you want to be nearby during a volcanic eruption? So here we learned erupt and erupted and a volcanic eruption. So again, our sentence starter, I wouldn't want to be nearby during a volcanic eruption. And our question is why, so we should have an answer with because. And then again, you tell me why you wouldn't want to be near a volcanic eruption. How can being outspoken be both positive and negative? So for this one, you should have actually 2 sentences. Being outspoken can be positive when, and then I want you to answer that. And then in contrast is negative. So to say your next sentence, right, so fill that out, and then your next sentence starter, I want you to use either however or on the other hand. So however, it can be negative when, and we're using however because this is a contrast with positive, right? So on the other hand, it can be negative when. However, it can be negative when. All right, a noun, and we're going to be reviewing parts of speech over the next couple of days, but a noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. So here's an example of each below. A person, James, Kate, mom, dad, right? You can name other people. Your teacher, principal, etc. Place, school, Washington, D.C., the United States of America, your classroom, those are all places. Thing, cup, desk, plant, pencil, right? All of those things are things. And then idea. So an idea is the trickiest one of a noun. An idea is something that we know exists, right? It's an abstract thing, but we can't necessarily see it or touch it. So love, hope, sadness, we can see evidence of it, but we can't see hope, right? We can't pick up hope from the grocery store. All right, so there are books at the library. You want to figure out what are the nouns in this sentence. So I'm going to show you number 1, and then I'd like you to do 2 and 3 on your own. So there are books at the library. It says blank is a noun because it is the name of a thing. So I'm looking for something that's a thing. And then blank is a noun because it is the name of a place. The thing that I see here is books. So books is a noun, and library is the place. All right? So down below for 2 and 3, look at what it's asking you to find, and then go back up into your sentence and look and see where you can find a thing and a place, person, place, or thing. All right? That's it for your homework. Happy homeworking. Have a wonderful weekend. Your code word for today is star. Again, your code word for today is stop.